Hi, this is Thaddeus. When looking for inspiration for original character designs or art in general, it can be hard to think about how you want to design your character. One suggestion I have is to create a mood board. Mood boards are a collection of images that evoke something. That can be a feeling, it can help with imagining something, and it can definitely help when designing characters. Try imagining things like the clothing your character has. Think about what fits them. Does your character travel around a lot? Maybe they keep their clothing light. Is their clothing damaged, meaning they might get into fights often or maybe don't have the money to buy replacements? Do they wear and carry around military gear and weapons, signifying they're some sort of soldier, or at least pretending to be one? Also think about the colors of your character and their gear. Color psychology is a thing, and certain colors can evoke certain vibes when used in designs. Red embodies passion, love, rage. There's a reason hot-headed characters often have the color red incorporated into their design. When designing this new outfit for my character Thaddeus, I collected a few images. My PNG tuber has control over earth, metal, and wood, so brown, silver, and green felt like good choices to go for. I collected a few images and put them together in a document. I really like the black, skin-tight undershirt with turtleneck the guy in the top left has. Using those images as inspiration, I went to work designing an outfit for him, and boom! The result is what you're seeing in front of you.